Welcome to this demonstration of Power BI solutions for adult social care from itelligent. This report here shows analysis of community-based adult social care, so clients receiving domiciliary care across a number of different factors. Here we can see the number of new clients that started with the adult social care service, and this is broken down by date period within the chart, which includes a forecast over time. The chart on the right here shows the number of the percentage of clients by individual teams supporting adult social care. If I select the North team, we can see how the chart changes to represent the clients that have started with that team. What we can also see is that the percentage of clients that have higher level of need is higher than the average for the North team. If I select this chart down at the bottom here as well, I can see how the visualisations change based on the support type. So clients that have a support type of mental health, more likely supported by the North team. I can also see that mental health clients have seen an increase of 9% in the most recent month when compared with the same period in the previous 12 months. If I hover over this chart here as well, we can see that mental health represents 13% of all clients, and their average weekly cost is currently £94,798. We can also see they've increased by 9% and how this differs across the different types of support. In addition to the volumes, we can also see cost for each of the different client groups. Here we can see cost over time, showing snapshots in each of the individual periods, and a forecast allowing us to understand how cost may change in the future. We can also see how this differs by different primary support reasons as well. So costs over time starting to increase for personal care support when we start to look at things like mental health, learning disability, dual impairment. We can simply filter and cross-reference the visualisations to understand where the differences exist. Analysing data for costs alongside volumes and trends also allows us to understand the things that influence cost in more detail. Here we can see some influencing factors when it comes to higher levels of cost. I can select a different cost bracket, so here we're looking at the highest levels of package costs. I can see that these reasons relating to asylum seeker support, access and mobility, social support, individual local authorities are more likely to influence higher levels of cost.